Hello, super learners! Get ready for the amazing letter A. The letter A makes the sound ah. A says ah. A says ah like in the word apple. A says ah like in the word ant. A says ah like in the word alligator. A is also for airplane. Whoosh! Wow! You found all the A words. Apple, ant, alligator, airplane. Great job, super learners! Let's get ready for the next letter. Get ready for the amazing letter B. The letter B makes the sound B. Let's say it together. B says B. B says B, as in balloon. B says B, as in bird. B says B, as in butterfly. B is for banana. Yummy! Wow! You found all the words that start with the letter B. Balloon, bird, butterfly, banana. Great job, super learners! Get ready for the amazing letter. The letter C. What sound does C make? C says K, as in cat. C says K, as in cup. C says K, as in cake. Yummy! C is for car. Room, room. Wow! You found all the words for the letter C. Cat, cup, cake, car. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the amazing letter D. What sound does D make? D says duh. D says duh, as in dog. D says duh, as in duck. D says duh, as in drum. Boom, boom. D is for donut. Yummy! Wow! You found all the words for the letter D. Dog, duck, drum, donut. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the amazing letter E. What sound does E make? E says eh. E says eh, as in egg. E says eh, as in elephant. E says eh, as in engine. E is for ear. Wow! You found all the words for the letter E. Egg, elephant, engine, ear. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the fantastic letter F. What sound does F make? F says F. F says F, as in fish. F says F, as in fan. F says F, as in frog. F is for flower. Beautiful! Wow! You found all the words for the letter F. Fish, fan, frog, flower. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the great letter G. What sound does G make? G says G. G says G, as in goat. G says G, as in gift. G says G, as in grapes. G is for guitar. Strum, strum. Wow! You found all the words for the letter G. Goat, gift, grapes, guitar. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the happy letter H. What sound does the letter H make? H says H. H says as in hat. H says as in hen. H says as in house. H is for horse. Neigh, neigh. Wow, you found all the words for the letter H. Hat, hen, house, horse. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the incredible letter I. What sound does I make? I says I. I says I, as in insect. I says I, as in igloo. I says I, as in ink. I is for ice cream. Yummy! Wow! You found all the words for the letter I. Insect, igloo, ink, ice cream. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the joyful letter, the letter J. What sound does J make? J says J. J says J, as in jet. J says J, as in jar. J says J, as in juice. Yum! J is for jump. Let's jump high. Wow! You found all the words for the letter J. Jet, jar, juice, jump. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the kind letter. The letter K. What sound does K make? K says K, as in kite. K says K, as in king. K says K, as in kangaroo. K is for key. Click, click. Wow! You found all the words for the letter K. Kite, king, kangaroo, key. Great job! Let's learn the next letter. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the lovely letter. The letter L. What sound does L make? L says L, as in lion. L says L, as in leaf. L says L, as in lemon. Sour, but yummy. L is for lamp, bright and shiny. Wow! You found all the words for the letter L. Lion, leaf, lemon, lamp. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the mighty letter, the letter M. What sound does M make? M says as in monkey. M says as in moon. M says as in milk. M is for mango. Yummy and sweet. Wow, you found all the words for the letter M. Monkey, moon, milk, mango. Fantastic job, little learners. You're doing amazing. Let's learn the next letter together. Get ready for the nice letter, the letter N. What sound does N make? N says N, as in nest. N says N, as in nose. N says N, as in nut. N is for night. So dark and calm. Wow, you found all the words for the letter N. Nest, nose, nut, night. Great job, little learners. Let's learn the next letter. Get ready for the awesome letter, the letter O. What sound does O make? O says ah, as in octopus. O says ah, as in ostrich. O says ah, as in olive. O is for orange, yummy and juicy. Wow, you found all the words for the letter O. Octopus, ostrich, olive, orange. Amazing job, little learners. You're doing great. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the playful letter P. What sound does P make? P says P, as in pencil. P says P, as in penguin. P says P, as in pizza. Yummy and cheesy. P is for pumpkin, round and big. Wow, you found all the words for the letter P. Pencil, penguin, pizza, pumpkin. Fantastic job, little learners. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the awesome letter. The letter Q. What sound does Q make? Q says qu, as in queen. Q says qu, as in quilt, cozy and warm. Q says qu, as in quack. The duck says quack, quack. Q is for quick. Let's run quick, quick. Wow, you found all the words for the letter Q. Queen, quilt, quack, quick. Amazing job, little learners. Let's learn the next letter together. Get ready for the remarkable letter R. What sound does R make? R says rrr, as in rabbit. R says rrr, as in rainbow. R says rrr, as in ring, shiny and round. R is for rocket. Wow! You found all the words for the letter R. Rabbit, rainbow, ring, rocket. Outstanding job, little learners! You're learning so well. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the super letter. The letter S. What sound does S make? S says S, as in sun. S says S, as in snake. S says S, as in star. S is for sock, warm and comfy. Wow! You found all the words for the letter S. Sun, snake, star, sock. Super job, little learners! You're doing amazing! Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the terrific letter. The letter T. What sound does T make? T says T, as in tiger. T says T, as in table. T says T, as in train. T is for tomato, yummy and red. Wow! You found all the words for the letter T. Tiger, table, train, tomato. Fantastic job, little learners! You're doing amazing! Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the unique letter. The letter U. What sound does U make? U says as in umbrella. U says as in unicorn. U says as in up. U is for under. Let's go under the table. Wow, you found all the words for the letter U. Umbrella, unicorn, up, under. Fantastic job, little learners! You're learning so fast. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the awesome letter. The letter V. What sound does V make? V says V, as in van. V says V, as in violin. V says V, as in vegetables. V is for volcano. Boom! Wow! You found all the words for the letter V. Van, violin, vegetables, volcano. Great job, little learners! You're doing amazing! Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the wonderful letter. The letter W. What sound does W make? W says wa, as in water. W says wa, as in whale. W says wa, as in watch. W is for watermelon, yummy and juicy. Wow! You found all the words for the letter W. Water, whale, watch, watermelon. Fantastic job, little learners! You're doing amazing! Let's learn the next letter together! Hello, super learners! Get ready for the exciting letter. The letter X. What sound does X make? X says Z, as in xylophone. X says Z, as in X-ray. X says Z, as in Xerus, a cute little squirrel. X is for Xmas. Wow, you found all the words that start with the letter X. Xylophone, X-ray, Xerus, Xmas. Amazing job, little learners! You're doing so well! Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners! Get ready for the awesome letter! The letter Y. What sound does Y make? Y says Y, as in yo-yo. Y says Y, as in yuck. Y says Y, as in yarn. Y is for yellow, a bright and sunny color. Wow, you found all the words for the letter Y. Yo-yo, yak, yarn, yellow. Fantastic job, little learners. You're doing amazing. Let's learn the next letter together. Hello, super learners. Get ready for the amazing letter, the letter Z. What sound does Z make? Z says Z, as in zebra. Z says Z, as in zip. Z says Z, as in zoo. Z is for zucchini, a healthy green vegetable. Wow, you found all the words for the letter Z. Zebra, zip, zoo, zucchini. Great job, little learners! You're doing wonderful. Let's learn more fun things together. Great job, super learners! If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tiny Talent Academy, and comment below which letter you liked the most. See you in the next fun lesson!